Hey everybody, welcome back to David's tutorial, and in this video I will show you the top 5 best Lightroom alternatives. So here are some lists for any alternatives for your Lightroom, and here are some 5 of it. So first up is the dark table. So this one right here is free and open source, and it works just like the Lightroom. Another one is raw therapy. So you need to download it. It is available for the Linux, Windows, and Mac OS. And yes, it is also free. And I think it's also similar to the Lightroom. Next is the Light Zone. So this one right here also is a photo editor that can be one of the alternatives for your Lightroom. Next, another one is the Photoscape. So it won't reload for me. So let's go on to the Polar one. So Polar is also free, but there is a pro version. So if you want to upgrade your usage, then you must purchase the pro one. But if you want the free one, there are also a lot of subscription that includes to the free one also. The other one is Photoscape. I don't know why this one won't work, but this is what looks like. Right here it's like an old version. So I think this is also free. And that's all. That's all 5 best alternative for Lightroom.